Hi all, welcome to our channel Mom and Me Bombs. Today we are going to bake a delicious cake using overripe plantains. The previous videos were presented by my daughter and today is my turn. Today's recipe is very easy and it's a yummy recipe which everyone can try. Now preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then grease and flour a pan into which we are going to pour the batter and keep it aside. Now the ingredients are 4 eggs, 1 cup of brown sugar. We use brown sugar because that is more tastier than white sugar. 1 cup of softened and salted butter. 4 mashed overripe plantains. It can be mashed using a blender. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon each of baking soda, baking powder and cinnamon powder and a pinch of salt. 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Then 1 lemon juice. 1 cup of milk. We can add or reduce it according to our need. Now to start our preparation, we have to first beat the eggs with an egg beater. You can use a hand mixer if you have it. Into that we have to add the brown sugar and mix it well. We use the brown sugar because that is more tastier than the white sugar. This has to be mixed well because the sugar has to dissolve into it properly. This will take 2 to 3 minutes. You can prepare the batter of this cake within 10 minutes if the ingredients are all taken together, and the preparation time is actually 30 to 45 minutes. Once the sugar has dissolved into it, we can add the softened butter and mix it well. That also should be mixed properly into it. Now keeping that aside, we have to take the flour and add the mashed overripe plantains into it. This flour is sifted with baking soda, baking powder and salt, and it should be sifted 2 to 3 times. Then only it will fully get mixed into the flour. After that, into that we add the egg mixture, and this has to be mixed properly. Add the lemon juice and mix it with a spatula. Then add the vanilla essence and milk. Add the milk according to our need. You should not overmix this mixture, the whole thing. It should not be overmixed. That's why we are using the spatula and we mix using the mix and fold method. Now add the cinnamon. Cinnamon is added to get a good aroma for the cake. Now our batter is ready. Pour it into the greased pan and then tap it properly so that the air bubbles goes off. Then garnish it with cinnamon powder and bake it in the preheated oven for 30 to 45 minutes or till it's cooked. Here comes our ready yummy cake. It will be more tasty if you garnish it with cream cheese or buttercream. Thank you all for watching our video.